Okay, so now we're doing the rear part of the changing the brake pads. Come here, Sheila.
I zoomed in.
I already took out the tires, so let's go change the brake pads. For this, we got it unscrew this right here. I got 14 millimeters cube right here. Let me show you. You see, it's gonna come out. We're gonna have to put some new grease, which I'm not gonna do it. I don't got. So now we just open it. These are the old brake pads, and this we're gonna push it in. I did the other one with my hands, but this one, then I use this. I'm gonna use like a Chinese tool, you know, boom. So the phone over here, maybe you can see what I do. Sheila, you wanna record this so they can see better? Just record right here how I push it in. You see, guys, it's going in. So just keep pushing. Right there. That's fine. It's already in. So now let's take the other ones. We're wasted. They were pretty bad. I just started hearing the noise about a week ago. I'm gonna change these parts. These metal parts, just pull them down. There's nothing holding it, just pull it down. Same thing with this one. All right. Let's try the new ones. In my case, it brings some other ones small, but that's like for another type of car. So I gotta choose the big ones. That are the ones that fit my car. This is my first time doing this. I already did the front, both of them. So I already did one of the rears. This is my last one. The front one with the rear ones, they different everything. The size to unscrew right here. The brake pads, like I say, it's my first time. So now we're ready. Let's put this one in the back, it's easier. Over here in the back. Alright, leave it. Just put it right there. They go by itself. It's pretty easy. Let's see the next one. This one has one clip. Okay, one brings one clip, the other one doesn't bring nothing. They just go and fit perfect right there. All you gotta do is just push it in. Now lift this up. So you guys see, it closes very easy. So we put back our screw right here, our bolt. Just put it in. We need to screw it back in, and that's it. That's the whole changing brake pads. Screw it back in. On this side, the rear brake pads, you don't need to unbolt the two of them, just one. Because this one, it really doesn't come out. So now we're ready to put in the tire, and that's it. Our brake pad should be working really good now.